In this video, you will be learning about addition and subtraction of integers. If the numbers have the same sign, just simply add the two numbers and copy the sign. For example, positive 9 and positive 5 is 14. Positive 3 and positive 4 is 7. Positive 7 and positive 5 is 12. Negative 7 and negative 5 is negative 12. Negative 2 and negative 9 is negative 11. Negative 9 and negative 5 is negative 14. But if they have different sign, you need to subtract the numbers and copy the sign of the bigger number. Like negative 1 and positive 9 is 8. Negative 6 and positive 1 is negative 5. 9 and negative 11 is negative 2.